At number 1, we have the REVO Walking Pad Treadmill. This treadmill is the best walking pad treadmill we found, and stands out for its quiet drive technology, making it an excellent choice for home use without disturbing others. This walking pad is designed with a longer and wider running surface, providing ample space for comfortable walking or light jogging. It features 12 workout modes, allowing users to customize their exercise routines according to their fitness goals. One of the key highlights of the REVO walking pad is its compact and portable design, which enables easy storage under furniture when not in use. This treadmill is equipped with a non-slip, durable belt that ensures safety and longevity. The inclusion of a remote control simplifies operation, making it accessible even for those who are not tech savvy. Additionally, the REVO walking pad comes with a robust 2-year warranty, reflecting confidence in its build quality and durability. This warranty, combined with hassle-free returns, provides peace of mind to users. The treadmill's sleek design and ease of use make it a convenient addition to any home, supporting a consistent exercise routine without requiring a dedicated workout space. So that sums up my top 5 walking pads